Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and before I continue, don't forget to subscribe. And today I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my first experience going camping. And yes, I'm gonna be right now I'm getting ready, trying to make sure I don't forget anything. I do all my research, what things I need, and to make it fun and comfortable the best I can, and that's the main thing. And I'm gonna be showing you guys everything I can when we get over there, putting the tent up, everything, setting up the area. So it's gonna be fun. Plus, actually, I don't know what's gonna happen because today, like, the weather changed a little bit and we might be getting thunderstorm and rain. I don't know. Later on, it's gonna be later on in the night, but like, yeah, that sounds interesting. So we'll see what happens. So stay tuned and stay watching because definitely I'm gonna be sharing with you guys all that, everything I can. Things. Of course, we're gonna take that and for speaker. We have more stuff here for the air mattresses. We got the pump there, of course. A GoPro. We have more, and yeah, we'll see. We are ready to go. Okay, we're here, girls. We have that one. That is setting the fire. So yeah. So I'm gonna try to turn the fire on again. Hi.
Look at my face.
You like it?
I've been had one.
I mean, do you like out here?
Yeah.
The little helper there. Good job. The fire finally is going.
And it took forever.
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 The fire is going. Finally. Hey.
You coming in?
Fan.
You're gonna come in?
Later. Later.
Okay.
So it's around 11:30. And this is all we hear. Morning, everyone. Mornings. Let's check on the girls. If I can open. Can you open?
Yeah.
Morning. Where's Naomi? Okay. Get out if anything. Good morning. Rinse it. Oh, you did? That's the camping life. Good?
And I have water left.
Okay. My babies. This is nice. Say hi.
Hi.
So today we are figuring it out where we're gonna go and what we're gonna do
Oh, it's showing you.
and enjoy our day. Are we going the right way, Naomi? All right. I think we lost though. We are back. We put the hammock. Say hi to the camera. Ruin everything.
I ruin everything?
Oh.
So, yeah, even with the thunderstorm alert, we out here. It's a severe thunderstorm. And we just here camping. We'll see what happens. Oh, it's coming. I don't know if our tent is all gonna hold that storm. Empezó a llover. Okay. Rain is here. Okay, we got inside. It's raining hard. Okay, this is crazy. This is crazy. Woo! Okay. I suppose it's gonna get worse than this. Well, guys, I think we're gonna wake up over. That's crazy. Selena. And if we're gonna get all the rain in soon, can you imagine? Yo. We survived the storm. We have little friends here. Let's get to work. Take this down.
Let's get to work.